super sexy.
That is so cool.
I love it.
What's up, you guys? We're here. We are in London, Mayfair. We finally made it. So classic. I love this neighborhood so much. Oh, it's gonna be insane. Check it out. We have a classic black cab for you guys. Ahí está. Not for me. Okay, so exciting. So the streets here are super nice. And look at that, clouds. I mean, blue sky, not common, just for you guys. So if you guys haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe, drop me a comment. Let me know if you're excited about this London trip. Hopefully I can smash out a few more videos while I'm here. Let's see who we can find. Hey, sorry, I shoot photos of strangers when I like their style. Okay. And you look so cool. I love the look.
I'm so sorry, I'm in such a hurry though.
Okay,
I'm so sorry.
no worries.
Sorry.
Where are you from, here?
Yeah, I
Okay, see you later. First rejection of the day, guys. Wow, she was nice, but her style was insane. Hey man, how's it going? Good. Would I be able to take a photo? I'm loving your style. It's for my YouTube channel. Sure. I do photos of strangers. Yeah, no worries. Okay, awesome. Where are you from? Are you from London?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, nice. We'll just get some just here, and then okay, so yeah, first I'm like loving these white pillars. Cool. So maybe we'll stand over here. Just stand here in the middle.
Whereabouts are you from?
I'm from New Zealand, but I live in Barcelona.
Beautiful.
Okay, perfect. So just stand there for a second. Looking in this direction. Yeah. Yes, awesome. Looking at me. Yeah, stay there. And maybe we can try some so let's try some leaning against the pole. You can kick one leg up. Yeah, stay like that. Okay, perfect. So next one's here, just standing there. Yeah, can I get some maybe with you like this, just with the shirt? Yeah, stay like that. Can you do something like this even? Yeah. Okay, check them out.
Nice, man. Yeah, they look sick. Big bro, cheers.
Okay,
take care.
See you later. Hey, excuse me. So I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel. I take photos of strangers when I like their style and look. Oh. And you have a really cool vibe if you want a picture.
I don't mind.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Okay. Do you live here though, in London?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Okay, first one. So if you just stand just over here. Awesome. Yeah. One hand in the pocket. Perfect. Yes, and you want to try someone walking? Okay, so what we can do, if you start from here and walk along here. And maybe too, this time with the hands, when you're walking, you can do something like this. Yeah. And then the portraits. Nice one. That's a dope shot.
Thank you.
All right, man, no problems. Okay, man, so have a good day.
You too, thank you.
They're gonna be dope. Oh my God, you guys, look at the steam. Steam just for us. Gracias. Can you guys believe it? I don't have to do any subtitles for this video. Thank you so much. I say that, I'm probably gonna meet Spanish and Russian people now. Hey, sorry, excuse me. I'm doing a video. I take photos of strangers when I like their look and their style. If you wanted a portrait. Yeah, awesome. Let's get one here in the street so we can get a really cool view. Where are you from? Are you from here, London?
I'm studying here now.
New Zealand, but I live in Barcelona. Oh, sorry. I'll tell you. Okay. We'll do some different poses and stuff. Okay, so while it's free, if you want, you can just leave your stuff just here. Love it. And let me get one like this. I like that look, yeah. With the bus. Try some walking towards me.
Yeah, sure.
Love them. Okay. So stand a little further back and then walk towards me. Okay, one more time, just a little bit slower. I was like, oh my god, you're gonna get hit. Like, it's all good. Then yeah, just give me some attitude in that walking, girl. Yeah, from like there.
From there?
Yeah. Okay. Oh shit. Check them out.
This is like my first time photo shoot. Wait, I can like
And look at these, the portraits. That's a cool shot.
Thank you.
I love that.
Yeah.
This one too.
Whoa, okay. Wow,
That's
you're
cool.
a good
I love this
photographer.
one.
Thank you.
And the wind as well.
Yeah.
Oh, and I love that with the winds.
Whoa. What
Okay.
are you doing currently?
Huh?
What are you doing currently? Is that a project or?
Yes, I started Photos of Strangers on YouTube. Filming to
Oh, hi.
you're like, hey. So now I'm just traveling around and doing that. Like I do a shoot here, then I'll do a YouTube video here as well. Usually like fashion or portraits. And where have you come from?
I'm from Indonesia, yeah. And then last year I moved here for studying.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm currently studying design.
Okay. And are you gonna go back to Indonesia after? Or maybe not?
Maybe, maybe not. We
Who
never
knows?
know. Yeah.
Okay, next section, Regent Street. Hey, sorry, I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel, and I take photos of strangers when I like their style and their look. If you want a portrait,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, perfect. So we can do it just over here, so we can get this cool like curve going in there. Where are you from?
Paris.
Oh, okay. How long have you lived in London?
I've been like just 2 weeks. Probably 2 weeks ago.
Oh, no way, so fresh. Yeah, it's perfect. So if you stand just here in the middle, you can leave the bag here with me. I'm not gonna run. You never know. I live in Barcelona and the people are so like, you never know, you know. You're like, is this a very good scam? Okay, perfect. Stay like that. Can I get one with you just in here, like near this? Yeah, just stand like that.
Smile.
Model's not smiling. Okay, boom. I actually like these the most because they're very like, yeah, steady style.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Okay, awesome. So I'll send you the pictures when they're ready. See you later. Strangers when I like their style. Do you want a portrait?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
My arms are
Let's go. I saw you before actually when I was
really?
shooting with someone else here, but then
Yeah, I got a bit lost, so I wanted to go to that shop, and I thought, yeah.
lucky for getting lost. Okay, cool. So if you want to stand here, we'll do it here in the. Huh?
Stand here.
No, in here, in the road. If you want, you can like leave your bag there too, so we can just. Where are you from here, London?
I'm Czech from Prague.
Ah, okay,
Yeah.
awesome. I've been there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you like it a lot?
I think I needed to give Prague another shot because I feel like it was so touristy.
Yeah, you can
Where
do
I
it
was
in 2
was like-
days, but then the other non-touristy spot, you need, yeah.
Your accent doesn't sound Czech at all. Like seriously.
I've been here a couple of
Okay, so yeah, just stand here a little bit more in the middle. Aha, perfect. Maybe with this one here, just leaning back a bit, you can put the hand one in the pocket. Perfect. Yes, stay there. And looking this way. Yeah. Aha, awesome. Nice. Okay,
Thank you.
check them out.
Follow you. Oh, wow. Wow.
This one is a winner, man. That's a winner.
That's so cool.
This one as well, look. Oh, I love them. They're beautiful. Yes. Okay, let me give you the deeds. Okay,
Pleasure to
awesome.
meet
You
you.
too. I'll send you the pics when they're ready. Send me your email address, and then I'll email them. Okay, see you later. Hey, excuse me. I take photos of strangers when I like their style. It's for my YouTube channel. If you want a portrait, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil,
Okay.
but I live in Dubai.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, I do like portraits like this
Cool.
of people. So if you want one,
Give
I'm
me
loving your look.
Yeah, give me your Instagram. Where are you from?
From New Zealand.
Where?
New Zealand.
Where's that? Sorry.
Nueva Zelanda.
Ah,
¿Tú hablas español?
Sí, hablo sí, también.
I live in Barcelona.
Okay. Cool.
Sí.
Nice. Muy bien.
So do you want one? I'm thinking like right
Now?
here.
Like
Yeah,
this?
like now.
My God.
Yes, I feel like I'm loving your look.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Why not?
Okay, vamos. And how's life in Dubai?
Yeah, great. I
Oh.
my first job. Like, I started my first company, I mean. So I'm very happy being there. But it's everything's new here, you know?
Because like the culture is so different, no? From Brazil.
There is like país metropolitano, ¿sabes?
Sí.
Sempre business. My hair is not the best now. I need to go to...
Yes, I love it. It looks so cool already. Stay there. Stay there, stay there. It looks good, it looks good. Stay, hold that. Yes. I want that. Let me get some full shots. Can we try some? Yeah, let's do some like moving shots. Yeah, I'll like change the mode. Let me show you. They look good, they look good. You know?
Yes.
I love that. They look sick. Me encanta.
Me encanta.
Okay, so with this one, we'll do some like walking shots. So if you start from there and then you walk towards me, and then can you do like the same where you're doing like serious look and give me this look like you can move your hair
I'm
around?
happy to meet you.
Huh?
I'm happy to meet you.
Yeah. You too. Okay. Yeah, and yeah, in your bag, yeah. And maybe you can do like this pace, like this. Like, what is this? What is this on my set? No. Start a little further back. Yeah. Maybe from like here.
Okay, more back.
Okay, vamos. Yeah. Looking at me. They're gonna be insane. 1 second, está pensando.
Nossa, I love it.
Yes, no? Look at these.
Very nice. Nossa, super.
Yes.
I need a picture like that. Super sexy.
That is so cool.
I love it. Nice.
And we have some with the bus. Oh, yes.
Yes, with the bus. So
I love
chic.
that.
Like, okay, I'm older, you know.
Let's get a couple more just here in the middle of the road. Like,
Maybe that's the road?
that's my specialty. Have you been to Barcelona?
Not.
In
Madrid, yes.
Ah, Madrid, sí. I was in Madrid like recently. Yo me encanta Madrid también. Yeah. In Madrid, I was doing this like right in the middle of the street. So come here just a little bit. Serious look, yeah. Stay like that. Stay there, stay there. And we'll just do a few more walking again, like from there. Okay. Okay, vamos. Yeah. Yes, yeah.
My bag?
I like the bag, yeah. Stay there, awesome. Okay, yes, and the laugh at the hands.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Nos vemos en Instagram.
Yeah.
Adios. This is London. I will see you guys on the next episode.